Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about healthy cooking and adding rich, natural flavor to your meals, choosing the right olive oil is essential. In today's video, we'll look at the top 5 best extra virgin olive oils for 2025. From bold and peppery to smooth and subtle, we'll help you find the perfect option for your kitchen. We'll also explain why olive oil is good for you and how to make sure you're buying a real, high-quality, extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil. Why is olive oil good for you? Extra virgin olive oil is widely recognized as one of the healthiest fats available. It is rich in heart-friendly monounsaturated fats and packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation throughout the body. Using olive oil regularly can help lower bad cholesterol, support cognitive function, and may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Since extra virgin olive oil is minimally processed, it retains more nutrients than refined oils, making it both a delicious and nourishing choice. Which olive oil is best? Let's go over the top 5 extra virgin olive oils for 2025. Starting with Bertolli extra virgin olive oil, this trusted brand offers a bold and slightly fruity flavor that works well for salads, marinades, and dipping. Next is Graza Sizzle extra virgin olive oil, designed for cooking at higher temperatures with a smooth and buttery taste. Pompeian smooth extra virgin olive oil takes the third spot with its mellow flavor, ideal for sautéing and baking where a more delicate profile is preferred. At number 2 is Atlas Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil, which comes from Morocco and delivers a rich aroma, deep green color, and certified organic quality. Finally, Colavita Premium Selection Extra Virgin Olive Oil ranks at number 1 for its balanced taste, cold-pressed extraction method, and excellent value. This Italian favorite is perfect for a wide range of everyday uses in the kitchen. How to identify extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil? When shopping for extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil, start by checking the packaging. The oil should come in a dark glass bottle or a metal tin to protect it from exposure to light, which can degrade quality. Make sure the label clearly says extra virgin and cold-pressed or first cold-pressed. Look for a harvest date if possible, since fresher oil usually means better flavor and nutritional value. Choose oils with low acidity, preferably below 0.8%. Certifications such as USDA Organic or Protected Designation of Origin can also be signs of authenticity and higher standards. A good olive oil should have a fresh, grassy smell and a golden or greenish tint. Number 5. Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil, rich taste, 16.9 fluid ounce, offers a flavorful and reliable option for everyday cooking. With over 150 years of Mediterranean olive oil heritage, Bertolli delivers a cold-pressed, unrefined extra virgin olive oil that stands out for its fruity aroma, smooth texture, and well-balanced taste. The rich, full-bodied flavor makes it perfect for salad dressings, pasta, bread dipping, and light sautéing. Its 302° F smoke point adds versatility, making it suitable for both low and moderate heat cooking. Packaged in a dark bottle to preserve freshness and prevent oxidation, this olive oil retains its quality over time when stored properly. Users consistently praise its clean, bright taste without the bitterness found in some competitors. It's particularly appreciated for elevating simple dishes like grilled vegetables or a slice of bread with just a drizzle. While it may not compete with high-end artisanal oils, Bertolli provides dependable quality at an accessible price point. Whether you're new to extra virgin olive oil or seeking a budget-friendly yet flavorful option, this 16.9 fluid ounce bottle of Bertolli EVOO offers excellent value. It's a staple that both home cooks and casual food lovers can enjoy for its consistency, versatility, and satisfying flavor. Number 4. Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a standout choice for everyday cooking, offering a perfect blend of versatility, flavor, and quality. Made from single-origin Picual olives harvested in Jaén, Spain, this high polyphenol oil delivers a mellow yet rich taste that works beautifully for roasting, searing, frying, baking, and more. Its smooth, balanced flavor has subtle grassy and fruity notes, with a gentle peppery finish, making it a great match for everything from sautéed vegetables to chicken cutlets and even baked goods like cookies. What sets Graza apart is not just the quality of the oil, but the smart and fun squeeze bottle packaging that allows for precise control during cooking. The cold-pressed oil is GMO-free and unblended, with no additives or hidden ingredients, which speaks to the brand's commitment to transparency and purity. The 25.3 fluid ounce bottle size is generous enough for daily use, and the oil's higher smoke point makes it reliable under heat. Users rave about its flavor, flexibility, and health benefits, and many find themselves reaching for it in nearly every recipe. Graza Sizzle isn't just another olive oil, it's a kitchen essential that delivers premium quality with everyday practicality. Number 3. Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a kitchen essential that brings both quality and versatility to everyday cooking. Crafted from first cold-pressed olives by a trusted network of farmers, this 68 fluid-ounce bottle offers a smooth, delicate flavor that's ideal for sautéing, stir-frying, dressing salads, and even drizzling over fresh bread. Its light texture and absence of bitterness make it perfect for those who enjoy subtle olive oil taste without overpowering their dishes. Certified by the North American Olive Oil Association for authenticity, this extra virgin olive oil is also naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO project verified. The large size offers excellent value for frequent use, and many users appreciate its mild flavor profile, especially in recipes where balance is key. What truly sets this oil apart is how well it integrates into both the kitchen and daily life. From a culinary standpoint, it enhances everything from vegetables to soups with a gentle richness. For those who value symbolism and reflection in daily routines, this olive oil represents nourishment and tradition. Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out as a reliable, high-quality choice that's been loved by generations of home cooks. Number 2. Atlas Organic Cold Press. Extra virgin olive oil from Morocco stands out as a premium, health-focused choice for anyone who values purity, taste, and tradition. Sourced from a single-family farm in the Atlas Mountains, this 750 milliliter bottle delivers an unprocessed, cold-pressed oil that is rich in polyphenols and crafted for maximum nutritional benefit. With its single-origin quality and ethical production, Atlas EVOOs captures the essence of Moroccan olive oil excellence. The aroma is delicate yet complex, offering notes of almonds, sweet banana, lemon, herbs, and basil. Its flavor is balanced and refined, making it ideal for everything from finishing dishes to baking and light sautéing. Whether drizzled over salads, used for dipping, or incorporated into gourmet recipes, this oil adds a smooth yet peppery depth that enhances the taste of any dish. Award-winning chefs and fine restaurants around the world trust Atlas EVOOs for its organoleptic qualities and unmatched consistency. It comes in a beautifully designed bottle that not only looks elegant in the kitchen, but also makes pouring easy and precise. For those seeking a high-end olive oil that prioritizes health, flavor, and sustainability, Atlas is a top-tier choice worth every drop. Number 1. Colavita Premium Selection. Extra virgin olive oil is a reliable and flavorful staple for everyday cooking. Imported from Italy and crafted through first cold press production, this 34 fluid-ounce bottle offers an ideal balance of fruity aroma and a mildly spicy finish. The oil is made from olives sourced from some of Europe's finest groves, including regions in Italy, Greece, Spain, and Portugal, and is bottled with quality and authenticity in mind. Recognized with the North American Olive Oil Association Quality Seal and aligned with International Olive Council standards, this olive oil delivers dependable performance in the kitchen. Whether you're roasting vegetables, marinating meat, dressing a salad, or baking bread, Colavita adds depth and smooth richness without overpowering the dish. Praised by home cooks and even awarded Best Everyday Cooking Oil twice by Men's Health magazine, it's both a practical and high-quality choice. The oil is cold-pressed and unrefined, cholesterol and carbohydrate-free, and certified kosher. It also comes in sturdy packaging that helps preserve freshness. With its grassy notes and clean peppery finish, Colavita Premium Selection EVOOs proves to be a versatile and affordable option for those who appreciate authentic olive oil in daily meals. That wraps up our look at the top 5 best extra virgin olive oils for 2025, along with tips on how to pick a high-quality, cold-pressed option. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite olive oil. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.